Oh no. You travel to your destination to deploy a mobile base station and test the performance of the RF cable and antenna. But you can't connect to the equipment. You haven't brought the right adapters. They're back at the service center. Wasted time, and it's going to rain soon. Bird, your trusted RF partner, has a solution for you. Our RF analyzer kits include instrumentation, adapters, and other accessories, so you have everything you need for on-site testing. Your kit includes a SiteHawk cable and antenna analyzer for verifying cable and antenna performance and determining the distance to fault in lines. It could also include a SignalHawk Spectrum Analyzer with angle of arrival analysis for interference hunting. Every kit includes a Wideband Power Sensor for peak and average transmitted and reflected power measurements. Also included is an adapter kit to make the necessary connections to any cable and any antenna connector. A 25-watt 50-ohm load allows terminated power measurements. Everything is packaged in a rugged, hard carrying case for protection from shock and impact. Save your valuable time and safely test communication systems with a Bird RF Analyzer kit. View our kits on birdrf.com or contact us to create a custom kit for your specific requirements. Bird, your trusted RF partner.